Hello, you're welcome. This is Nati Guide. In today's video, we will be looking at how to create a new Gmail account, even if you have an existing account. It's always advisable to have more than one Gmail account. Let's get started. In order to create a new Gmail account, head over to your browser and select a new tab. Navigate your mouse to your old Gmail account and click on it. Navigate your mouse to Add Account. You select Create Account over here. And you have the option to select if it's for personal use, for a child, or for business or work. So in case you want to create an account, a Gmail account for personal use, you select this one. If you are creating a Gmail account for a child, you select this one. If you are creating a Gmail account for work or business, go ahead and select this one. So I'll go with this option. You can select the other options. When you select a business account, Google will give you some options over here. And the first one is to try Google Workspace. You are not going to select that for now. So you go with the option of get a Gmail address. So you click on this one. After clicking on get a new Gmail address, first of all, you have to input your details. So you input your name over here, the name that you would prefer. So you go ahead and fill the basic information, the month, date, year, and all that. Over here, Google has created some Gmail addresses for you that you can use. But in case you want to create your own Gmail address, you can go with this option. But in case you prefer the Gmail address that was generated by Google, you go ahead and select the one that you prefer and click on next. You go ahead and generate your password. Over here, it's advisable to add a recovery email. So you can go ahead and do that if you are following the process. But for me, I would skip this for now. You then go ahead to accept Google privacy and policy terms. After accepting Google privacy and policy terms, your account will be created for you. In order to get access to all the Google apps, navigate your mouse to this rectangle and click on it. When you click on it, you get to see all the apps over here. You get to see your account that was created. You get to see Google Search, Maps, News, Gemini, YouTube, Gmail, Google Meet, Google Chat, Google Drive, Calendar. And when you scroll down, you get to see more options like Google Sheets, Google Docs, Finance, Slides, Google Books, Blogger, Google Classroom, Google Arts, and others that you might want to explore. In case you want more from Google, you just have to click on more from Google and you get to see all the other Google apps that are available. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share.